This step-by-step guide explains how to enhance the Zoombit robot with AI capabilities. Focusing on setting up the Smart AI lens and upgrading the power supply for improved performance. Artificial intelligence, or AI, enables machines to mimic human intelligence by recognizing objects, identifying colors, and detecting faces. Before starting, ensure the following components are prepared. Zoombit robot, Smart AI lens, 3D printed stand, 3.7V lithium battery, and 18650 battery holder. Male-to-male jumper wires. Grow 4-pin buckle to female cable. Rocker switch with wire, 20 cm. CH2 quick wiring terminal press type. Screwdriver, bolt M3 25mm screw and M3 nut. Let's start the installation process. Begin by unplugging the existing ultrasonic sensor from your Zoombit robot to make room for the Smart AI lens. Download and print the adjustable stand for the Smart AI lens. Assemble the stand by connecting its moving joints using the M3 25mm bolt and M3 nut end. Attach the Smart AI lens onto the assembled 3D printed stand using screws. Using an RJ11 to male jumper cable. Connect each wire from the RJ11 connector to the corresponding male-to-male jumper wire. Connect the SDA and SCL wires from the Smart AI lens to the corresponding SDA and SCL pins on the recabinet board. Connect the VCC and GND wires from the Smart AI lens to the wiring terminal press type. Connect the red wire from the rocker switch to another wiring terminal. Connect the positive wire from the battery holder to the same wiring terminal. Connect the negative from the battery holder and black wire from rocker switch to the other wiring terminal press type that also shares the Smart AI lens VCC and GND connections. Secure the battery holder inside the Zoombit robot using double-sided tape. Existing 1.5 VAA batteries in the Zoombit will continue to power the robot itself. while 3.7V lithium battery powers the Smart AI lens. Place all the wires neatly inside the Zoombit body and route the RJ11 and Grove cables through the hole provided. Plug the RJ11 cable into the Smart AI lens and connect the Grove cable into the I2C port on the recabit board. Secure the servo motor onto the Zoombit robot base using screws. Connect the 3D printed stand with the Smart AI lens attached to the servo horn. Ensure tight and stable fit. Your robot is now ready for advanced AI applications like object, color, and face recognition. For more details, step-by-step instructions and downloadable code, check out the full tutorial at Citron.io.